Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into some exciting news from OnePlus. OxygenOS 15 is here, and it's packed with AI-driven features designed to elevate your smartphone experience. Whether you're into productivity, photography, or just looking to enhance your everyday tasks, this update is something you don't want to miss. Let's break it down. OnePlus recently announced the rollout of OxygenOS 15, which comes with a host of new AI features. Built on the latest Android 14, this update is focused on creating a more intuitive, personalized, and efficient experience. The AI-driven enhancements promise smoother performance and smarter automation. So what's new? OxygenOS 15 introduces features like Smart Photo Enhancements, adaptive brightness, and AI-powered battery management. Let's take a closer look at a few of these. Smart Photo Enhancements. This feature uses AI to automatically adjust brightness, contrast, and color in your photos, making every shot look professional, whether it's low light or a bright outdoor scene. Adaptive brightness with AI. Instead of manually adjusting brightness throughout the day, AI learns your preferences and optimizes it for you. It's designed to make screen usage easy on your eyes, regardless of lighting conditions. AI-powered battery management. This feature helps extend battery life by predicting your usage patterns and optimizing background apps. It learns when you typically use your device and adjusts power consumption accordingly. OxygenOS 15 also boosts productivity with features like smart folders and AI-driven app recommendations. The system can reorganize your home screen based on app usage, placing your most used apps front and center. It also suggests apps based on your daily routine, making it easier to stay efficient throughout your day. Security is another big focus. OxygenOS 15 uses AI to monitor unusual activity, keeping your data safe. From protecting sensitive information to smarter app permissions, OnePlus ensures your device stays secure without slowing you down. Now let's talk about availability. The OxygenOS 15 update is rolling out to devices like the OnePlus 11, OnePlus 10 Pro, and some models from the OnePlus Nord series. More devices will follow soon, so keep an eye out if your phone hasn't received the update yet. Overall, OxygenOS 15 is packed with features designed to make your phone smarter and more intuitive. From photography to power management, AI is working behind the scenes to improve your experience. What do you think about these new features? Let me know in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest tech updates.